Sarah, what'd you think of the game?
I mean, it was sad. We lost.
It was sad because we lost. But
Oh my God,
at
we
the same
won.
time,
Oh my
some
God,
good new
we
players.
won.
Same old beautiful Tampa. Some positives to take away from the game. When you say that,
What?
some positives to take away from the
Good
game.
team speed.
They're super comfortable.
What else?
That's about it. I mean, the power play was obviously horrendous.
Power play bad.
Yeah.
I'm sending you.
Why are you
Shush.
Power play was horrendous.
Power play bad. It's
You
going
knew
on.
it was going to be bad when it was 5-on-3 and they generated like 2 shots.
We couldn't shoot on the power play. It was really bad.
Well, they had 5-on-3 to open up the first period.
Yeah, it was 5-on-3 and we couldn't get shots off, so that was bad. So we'll have to work on that, even though it was pretty much all
Hello.
like third and fourth liners. Weren't really any of the big guys out there, so I'm sure it will improve. Volkov, 2 goals. That's a positive. So that's good.
Yeah, and the new little defenseman played a good game.
Yeah, and Sergachev. I think that's his name. Go Bolts!